and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government to derecognize Goa State Cooperative Bank's multi-state status to retain Apex Bank. Bank says can't accept government mining loan OTS in present form. Goa BJP pulls up sleeves for Maharashtra polls. Team of almost 200 workers on 15-day-long Konkan mission with Chief Minister Parrikar. Vishnu too gets his CDs ready. Private property shack owners want government to formulate separate shack policy. Demand single window system. Fixed luxury tax rate. 10 deck beds with 5 tables. Pede ground locked for locals. People walk around the ground on a gutter risking life. No alternative, no lights, authorities not bothered. Prudent special report. Samir Mapari case arguments in final stage before High Court. Prosecution arguments focused on circumstantial evidences. Defense says evidence is fabricated. Now the news in detail. Government has begun its process to derecognize Goa State Cooperative Bank's multi-state status by separating the Daman and Diu branches. Bank rulebook says any bank functioning as multi-state cannot be an apex bank status of a particular state. Central Cooperative Registrar will loses his control the moment Goa State Cooperative Bank becomes a state apex bank. The bank's general body on Sunday decided not to accept government's mining loan waiver proposal in present form. Bank wants government to get the consent from the RBI.
Goa State Cooperative Bank held its 51st annual general body meeting on Sunday at Sahkar Sankul. Members from other cooperative banks and cooperative credit societies also witnessed the meeting. Chairman Ullas Fardesai informed the general body that the government has begun the procedure to do away with bank's multi-state status.
हाजेर आमकां फक्त जनरल बॉडी कळोवपा जाय आसलें की सरकारान सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रान एका परमिशन दिलां की मुखार वचपाक आनी त्या प्रमाणे मुखार वचून जो दमण दिवचो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आसा RBI, नाबार्ड, RCS हे सगळे जे ऑथॉरिटी आसात फायनान्साचे लोक आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचे तशेंच दमण दिवचे फायनान्साचे जे ऑथॉरिटी आसात ते सगळे एकेडेन बसून हाजेर मिटींग जावन हाजेर भाचाभाच जातली आनी ते कशे तरेन सेपरेशन करपाचें हें जातलें. एपेक्स बँक कॅनॉट बी ए मल्टी स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक. आमच्यो दमण आनी दिवाक ब्रांच आशिल्ल्या कारणान ते मल्टी स्टेट जाता. आमच्या गोवा सरकार त्या खातीर सांगता की आमी तुमचो एपेक्स स्टेटस दवरपा येना, तुमी सेपरेशनान चलात.
Goa State Cooperative Bank has also expressed its inability to accept government's loan waiver scheme for mining dependents following RBI rules. Bank has decided to accept the state proposal only if the government takes the loan burden on itself or passes it on any other financial institution.
तातूंत भितर ज्यो गायडलायन दिल्ले कडेन आसात त्या गायडलायन्सांक ही आमची स्कीम फिट जायना, की आमकां कांयच पावर्स ना आनी आमी गव्हर्मेंटाने आतां टेकअप करपा आसात. ही स्कीम जशी कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकांक फिट जाता आनी ज्यांची कोणाची परमिशन जाय ऑथॉरिटीची ती गव्हर्मेंटान घेवपाची. आमी 100% वेवल ऑफ इंट्रस्टाक तयार आसात. आनी दुसरो मुद्दो आसा तांकां 100% इंट्रस्ट माफ केलो त्याच्या नंतर जे आमचे प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट आसा ते गव्हर्मेंटान खंयचे तरी तांची फायनान्शियल इंस्टिट्यूशन टेकओवर करून आमचे बॅलन्स शीट क्लियर करपाचें.
Annual General Body meeting witnessed some heated arguments over the no confidence motion moved against Chairman Ullas Fardesai by the opposition Mule Group. At present, the matter is before the High Court. High Court has asked Central Cooperative Registrar to take a call on the no confidence motion. Ullas Fardesai maintained that until the court gives the verdict on the motion, he remains the bank chairman.
जे एक्ट आसा एक्टा भितर नो कॉन्फिडन्स हाडपाच्या मोशनाचें प्रोविजन ना. हायकोर्टा कडल्यान सगळें डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा. तरी आसतना हाजो जो निर्णय आसा तो हायकोर्टान कांय घेतलो ना. हायकोर्टान आतां हाका सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रार डायरेक्ट केला तूं नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन घेवपाचें अथवा ना ते 15 दिसान तुमी निर्णय घेवपाचो. जेन्ना वचून नो कॉन्फिडन्स ऑन द फ्लोर येना आनी मेजॉरिटीन प्रूव जायना ते दिसा आय एम द चेअरमॅन.
8 members have proposed no confidence motion against the chairman Ullas Fardesai. High Court has strictly directed the bank chairman and board of directors to avoid taking any major financial decision until the matter is disposed of. For now, government is pacing towards getting bank freed from the control of Union Cooperative Registrar by removing its multi-state status. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
Goa BJP has pulled up its sleeves for the Maharashtra polls. With the breakup of 25-year-old alliance with the Shiv Sena, the Goa BJP is getting ready to share the additional campaign pressures. A team of almost 200 leaders and workers is ready to leave to Maharashtra for a fortnight-long poll battle in Konkan with the CM Manohar Parrikar, other ministers and the MLAs. MLA Vishnu Wag too has got his political campaign songs ready with the CDs. The state-level party meet on Sunday chalked out the campaign schedule.
Few BJP leaders in Maharashtra had asked Vishnu to compose songs for their poll campaign. They have come out with several copies of the CDs in Mumbai. However, sources say there is no role of state BJP in this development. Vishnu must have done it through his contacts in the political circles of Maharashtra.
काय कॅम्पेन सॉंग्स जेंका आमी म्हणटात प्रचार गितां ती बरोवन दिल्लीं आसात. ऑलरेडी मुंबय ह्या गितांचें रिकॉर्डिंग जालें ठाण्याच्या स्टुडियोन आनी आमचे गोंयचेच एक संगीतकार बाळकृष्ण मराठे हेणी ताका चाली दिल्यात. ही सगळ्याक वाचतली गाणी. हांव स्वता ते भायर प्रचाराक वचपाचो आसा महाराष्ट्रभर आनी बरेचशा भागान कोकण, पश्चिम महाराष्ट्र, विदर्भ, मराठवाडा आनी मुंबय ठाणे ह्या भागांतूय बीन हांव प्रचार करपाचो आसा. गोंयच्यान कितले वतले म्हाका खबर ना आनी पार्टी बीन कोणाक धाडटा म्हाका ताची कांय कल्पना ना. पूण हांव वता तो हांव स्वताहून वता. म्हाका निमंत्रीत केला महाराष्ट्रांतल्या तशेंच आमच्या कांय राष्ट्रीय नेत्यांनी म्हणून हांव वता.
On Sunday, state BJP held a meeting to chalk out campaign schedule in Maharashtra. Around 200 party workers will be in Maharashtra's Konkan belt for assembly election campaign. MLAs and ministers too will accompany CM Parrikar. Parrikar will address several corner meetings of around 1,000 to 1,500 crowd strength. Goa BJP leaders and party workers will campaign in almost 18 to 20 constituencies in the Konkan region for almost a fortnight. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Private Property Shack and Hut Owners Association is demanding a separate shack policy. While the tourism season is set to begin from first week of October, the shack owners are demanding a fixed luxury tax rate and a single window system so that getting a shack license will be simpler. Moreover, demand for 10 deck beds and 5 tables tops the demand list of the private shack and hut owners. Shack owners meet at Taligaon Community Hall on Sunday resolved to press for the demands.
If government wants की आमकां रिन्युअल लायसन दिवचे, कोणाचे पर्मनंट बार आसा काय शेक आसा तांकां खबर आसतली की एक्सायज लायसन 31 मे सोंपता. आमी रिन्युअल घालता, स्लीप हाडटा आनी ते चलयता. मागीर लायसन रेडी जातकूच ते आमकां फोन मारता की लायसन तुमचें रेडी आहा, मात कोण येयले जाल्यार स्लीप आसा म्हणून. आमची जी लायसन्सां आसा सगळी ती आमकां एका वर्सा खातीर दिवची आनी आमकां रिन्युअल करपाक मेळोंक जाय. आनी बीच शेकांक तेंच्यांनी 3 वर्सां लायसन दिल्लें आसा. बीच ती आमची प्रॉपर्टी, इट्स अ पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी, आमी पब्लीक जाल्यार आमकां प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टींक 3 वर्सां कित्याक लायसन दिवंक शकना तेमी. हांव मागता तेंचे कडेन की आमकांय 3 वर्सां नाजाल्यार 5 वर्सां लायसन दिवचें. आमकां जो स्लॅब लायल्लो आसा इट इज द सेम स्लॅब which is used for 5-star hotels or any other hotels. तो स्लॅब आमकां हट्सांगूय लायल्लो आसा. आमकां नॉर्मल रेट करून दिवची, लग्जरी टॅक्स नॉर्मल फिक्स रेट करून दिवची, फिक्स अशें गव्हर्मेंटाक लागीं मागता. आमकां सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम करून दिवची, जेणे करून आमकां एकूच फायल आमी सबमीट करता खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट तुमी सांगताले टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट नाजाल्यार पंचायती, आनी तेंच्यांनी आमकां रिसीट दिवची, एक्नॉलेजमेंट रिसीट दिली की आमची फायल पावली आनी तेंचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन एनओसी घेवन आमकां 15 नाजाल्यार 1 म्हयन्या भितर दिल्यार चलता. आमी मागता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की आमकां आनी बीच शॅकांक सेपरेट पॉलिसी करची म्हणून. आमची जी आमी शॅकान बिझनस चलयता ते आमचे प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन चलयता. वी आर नॉट अफेक्टिंग एनी पब्लीक पाथ or sand dunes or high tide आमच्या भाटान आमी घालता वयर आहा ते. आमकां एक सेपरेट चॅक पॉलिसी करून दिवची.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.